Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Chase Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or any devices you're using. Then enter the URL chase.com. Once you get into the website, click on the sign in button at the top right. Once you get into this page, click on the not enrolled sign up button. After that, you'll be headed to this page and you'll need to enter some of your details here. So first thing you need to do is choose between personal, business or commercial account. I'm gonna use personal here and enter your account number, card number or application number. Once you do that, you'll then have to enter your social security number. If you do not have a social security number, click on no social security number and then you can enter your date of birth instead. Once you enter your social security number or date of birth, create your username. So your username must be between 8 to 32 characters long, must contain at least one letter and one number, must not contain any special characters. So enter your username. And once you create your username, you'll have to click on the next to create the account. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Chase Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos.